Did you know that every English sentence needs a verb?
Yeah, a verb tells us what's happening, like run, play, or eat.
Right. But what if there's no action in the sentence?
What do we do then?
That's when we use the verb to be. It's like a little helper that completes the sentence.
Oh, so the verb to be helps us tell who someone is, how they feel, or where they are.
Exactly, like I am happy or she is my friend.
Got it. But how do we know which form of to be to use?
Easy. We just pick the right one. It's like matching a puzzle piece.
Let's take a look at all the forms of the verb to be.
I am. He. She. It. Is. You. We. They. Are. Is. Are.
I am Anne. I am 8. I am in 2nd grade.
I am Mike. I am 8. We are school children. And we are friends.
How to ask a question with the verb to be?
I am a schoolgirl. Am I a schoolgirl? I am not a schoolgirl. They are students. Are they students? They are not students. My brother is at home. Where is my brother? Her name is Anne. What is her name?
Do you know my mom is a teacher?
Really, where is she?
She is at school.
And my dad is a doctor.
Wow, where is he?
He is at hospital.
They are at work now. They are not at home. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us. See you in the next one.